How to change app name on iPhone. First is to download a picture of the app that you want. So go ahead onto your web browser such as Chrome or Safari. So I'll open my Chrome and download the Amazon app right here. I mean the Amazon logo. Then make sure to download that logo and go back to your home screen. And then once you're in your home screen, I want you to open Shortcuts. So click on Shortcuts and click on this plus button found on the upper right corner. Once you have done that, click on Open App right here and then click on App right here. Choose the app that you want. So for example, I'll again choose Amazon right here. And then go to this Share button found on the bottom right of the screen and click on Add to Home Screen right here. And then change the logo of the app. So click on this button right here, click on Choose Photo, and choose the photo that you want. And then change the name. For example, I'll just type in hello like this one and click on Add right here. So once you go to your home screen, you may now see the app and then you have a different name right there. So that's it. That's how you can change app name on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.